Our top 5 best HDMI cable. One number product. Amazon Basics Premium Certified HDMI Cable. 10-foot Premium Certified HDMI Cable, a male to AM male, supports Ethernet, 3D, 4K HDR video, and audio return channel. Allows for sharing an internet connection with multiple devices, no need for a separate Ethernet cable. 2-number product. Zeskit MA Certified Ultra High Speed HDMI Cable. Cable length, 2 meters, 6.5 feet. Ultra High Speed HDMI Cable Certified, W/hologram sticker, 48 Gbps bandwidth for latest features HDR, DCP 2.2 and 2.3, DTS:X, Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision 8K 60, 4K 120 and up to 10K resolution, Dynamic HDR, EARC, ALM, QFT, QMS, VRR backward compatible with earlier versions of HDMI and can be used with any HDMI device. 3-number product. Snowkids 4K Flat High Speed HDMI Cable. Snowkids 4K HDMI cable 6.6 feet adopts the latest 4K technology, resolution up to 3840 by 2160 Hz, which is 4 times of 1080p. 4K ultra high definition will make a big difference in your picture quality. 4-number product. UGREEN right angle 90-degree HDMI cord cable. UGREEN HDMI cable can be compatible with Blu-ray player, computer, Avenue receiver, Roku, PS3 4ths, Xbox One/360, Nintendo, allowing you to connect HDMI-compatible devices to your TV, HD TV, monitor, or projector. 5-number product. BlueRigger Micro HDMI to HDMI cable. Not a micro USB cable and is not compatible with smartphones. Connect your micro HDMI compatible digital cameras, tablets to your HD TV. Fully shielded, durable 32-gauge premium grade cable provides flexibility and ease of use. Delivers both high-definition video and uncompressed multi-channel digital audio. Thanks for watching this video.